There was a time in math class where I was supposed to be graphing a specific function. I think it was the inverse of a, we're doing inverses right now. It was the inverse of a quadratic, and I only did half of it. I was like, I'm done. And then she looked at it, and then the teacher's like, that's not the inverse. That's not the full inverse. I was like, but it looks like a function, a graph function that we did before. And then she looked at it again. And then she remembered that we had done, before we viewed over a pair of functions. And it actually looked like a square root function that was graphed. And she told me that, well, it's not right for this specific function, but if we were doing a square root with the square root of x, then it would have been right. I was like, so this is what this looks like. She's like, yeah. I was like, but it looks like half of the squared function, the quadratic function. She's like, and then she showed me that quadratic functions is x to the second power, while square root is the square root of x. And when you power something, it's the opposite of when you square root something. So I guess by getting half of it wrong, I got to learn something that we didn't get to yet, which is pretty cool.